This is my hand. Look at how huge. See? And then so fragrant too. This is a gorgeous rose. And then we have more wildflowers on this side. Here you see these California poppies and this purple one. These are so beautiful. Blueberries are ready. Like these blueberries, I'm going to harvest them. I am picking blueberries to make blueberry pancakes. The Austrian version, the Kaiser charm. Before the mockingbirds eat them. You have this is one. We have another blueberry bush there, another one there, and then another one on the other side. We have 4 blueberry bushes. And then I'll show you the cauliflower. We have some purple cauliflowers here too. You see? Oh, look at this. Super duper gorgeous purple cauliflower. And there's another one there. You see? Oh, yeah. I'm going to cook them later. This is the other blueberry bush. They have like, some of them are bigger, like this one, than the other blueberry. Like this is big. When you hear the birds singing, it's kind of hard to believe that you live in a city with, or like in a county with 10 million people. Here you go. Here are the blueberries. Let's pick the ripe ones to put on our pancake. And then the rest you can put as toppings too. Homegrown blueberries taste, even though they are not like super ripe yet, they still taste like very yummy. Now let's make pancake. So I have the flour here. This is 1 cup flour. This is 3/4 of a cup, half and half water and whole milk. And then egg. And then I'm going to put the blueberries here, and then also top with blueberries. And the blueberries. And then the blueberries, and then powdered sugar. And here's what we're having for breakfast. This is shredded pancake with blueberries from here, from the backyard garden. And I hear a hummingbird. The pancake is almost finished. Like the pancake, Josh? There are a lot of uses for this, like spinach. For any dish, breakfast, lunch, dinner, sandwich, like omelette. You can do a lot of for spinach. As you can see, we always harvest in the spinach. There's only few left, or you can just saute them. Here you go. I am making fish soup for dinner with the spinach that I harvested from the garden, and then I have here mahi-mahi, and then these tomatoes. I'll probably add celery too. So it's kind of like a Filipino version with sinigang mix. I'm going to saute the tomatoes and onion first. I want the tomatoes to disintegrate, and then now I'm going to add water. So I cut the mahi-mahi into this size like that. Mahi-mahi, they are very flavorful fish. I like them, especially for this dish. Let's add this here. I think it's a lot for this dish, but maybe you can eat it tomorrow. Spinach, the spinach that we harvested from the garden. I washed them already. This is a pot of fish soup. You can use any fish that you like. You can use salmon too. I like salmon in this dish too. Let's harvest the cauliflower. Look at this gorgeous cauliflower. This one is the one that I need to harvest. There you go, beautiful. I'm making frittata for breakfast. I don't have a tripod. I accidentally brought it at the stadium when we watched the Barca game, and I had to, it's not allowed inside, so I had to give it up. It's super challenging without the tripod. But here's the cauliflower. I'm just going to cook half. I'm adding paprika. And then the cauliflower. I'll probably harvest broccoli. Have something green here. I harvested this broccoli florets, and then just adding them here. This is eggs, and then I added a little bit of milk, and I'm making coffee too. And look at the grapevine outside. Beautiful. And I'm adding some luncheon meat bits on top, like that. Here's our weekend brunch. We have frittata with homegrown purple cauliflower, luncheon meat, cantaloupe, and then the leftover bread from the week.
It's table talk time.
What do you want to talk about, Josh?
For this table talk, we're going to talk about our favorite kind of flowers.
Okay. Today is Sunday and it's another gardening day. And here are the plants. Let me close this first. Here are the flowers that I picked from the backyard yesterday. The citronelle. And here are the plants that I'm going to plant today. There are some edible plants like this corn, and then some flowers too. Lots of things to do in the garden today. At first I need to remove this like lettuce here. then we're switching to eggplant, peppers, and other some squash, and then other summer vegetables. Hi baby, hi Bitchy, are you ready for school?
Yeah.
How's your school, Josh? How's your math school?
It was good.
Love to hear the birds from my home office.